going to be using this K deoxit D5 to try and flush out and clean these potentiometers. So this is the really noisy input potentiometer, and this is the output, which has a little bit of noise in. I don't know if you could hear that in the recording. These are quite easy to clean up. We can get some cleaner in there. This one we're not sure, I'll have to take it off and have a look. So it's like a triple 3 potentiometers all stacked up. There is actually an opening in here for that one. Each of these potentiometers is only using 2 legs, so there's a slit on each one. So hopefully we should be able to get some cleaner in there. Okay, that's hopefully we might have got something in through there, so let's just put that back. There's not much more I can do. Okay, let's put it back in the rack. Unfortunately I can't really test it here because my cables aren't long enough, so I'll put her back in the rack.